I'm 680 News Senior Business Editor Mike Eppel. It is the biggest deal in the 107-year history of IBM. It's spending $34 billion US on Red Hat, the open-sourced software maker that is getting big into cloud computing. IBM's sort of been seen as a laggard in that space, so it's spending big bucks to buy Linux and Red Hat, which can bridge the gap between current leaders in cloud computing, whether it's Amazon or Google or Microsoft. Daniel Bader is a tech analyst with Mobile Nation.
Linux has always been the enterprise operating system, the piece of software that was improved and distributed by the people that were contributing to it so that it could be extremely secure and extremely scalable. And Red Hat is one of the largest distributors of enterprise-grade Linux operating systems and services. It's extremely attractive to a company like IBM, which is increasingly embracing the open source ethos in an attempt to compete better with Amazon, Google, and Microsoft in the cloud space.
Now, IBM paid a big premium for this company, which actually has its roots in Hamilton. Red Hat was co-founded by Hamilton's Bob Young back in 1993. It's a multi-billion-dollar company now and worth a lot more at the end of the trading day today. The stock was up by more than 50% on Wall Street. Well, shares of the Boeing company today saw a decline as investigators in Indonesia search for clues following the crash of a Lion Air jet, a Boeing 737 MAX. This is Boeing's newest plane in its lineup. It's got hundreds of orders and already in service with many airlines, and until they figure out some specific answers for that, some concern about what it could mean for Boeing's sales in the short term. The stock today was down by about 2%. Shares of Ford and General Motors and other automotive industry leaders jumped today on talk that China is considering a tax cut for citizens to buy new cars and trucks. This comes on some slowing signals for China's economy. They want to speed up consumer spending, and to do so, offering some big incentives potentially to buy big-ticket items, such as new automobiles. Ford and General Motors saw their share prices on Wall Street jump 4% today. And Canadian cannabis companies continuing to trade lower since the launch of legalized cannabis sales in this country more than a week and a half ago now. Over the past 10 trading days, pot stocks on Bay Street down in 9. And shares of Canopy Growth dropped from a record high almost 2 weeks ago, down about $30. Peak to trough at this point from $76 down to $46 per share today. From the 680 Newsroom, I'm Mike Eppel for City News.